Diggy, 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 diggy. Diggy, 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 diggy. Diggy, 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 diggy.
I love you not to be gay. I love you. 100.
I love you big like that 1,000 times. Go like this, go like this. Oh.
Hey guys, well, it's the end of the week soon. Good morning everybody. It's gonna be a beautiful day, last day at work, and I have to prepare for the weekend. That's gonna be great. Yeah, hope you're all doing well. This week I've been kinda well. I'm gonna say the same. Since we come back from Jamaica, we all feel tired. I don't know if it's the winter coming. It's getting dark early here. It's dark on the morning when we go to work and all of these things. So maybe it's playing on our mind. I don't know for you guys, when it's winter and you go to work, it's dark. You come back from work, it's dark. I don't know if it's good with you, but it's hard here. Everything otherwise alright. Sarah is doing well. Tyler is doing well. Tyler is picture day today, so Tyler gonna be the prettiest boy at school today. You don't want to miss Tyler today. Tyler, pictures day. Have a good day.
Hi Faze, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Put your foot in,
Mama,
baby.
I love that you're going to put on my blue face.
Say morning to Faze.
Morning face.
What is today?
Picture time, but today I'm going to wear all my blue things. But tomorrow, Max wants a birthday party, but today's me who's going to do the day.
Today you're gonna do the date at school?
Yes.
Okay.
Not my other friend.
Okay, you guys, my
Mama?
boy. Show me a smile you're gonna do today. Yes.
Mama?
Brighter, do a brighter smile. No, not like that. Yes, like that. Alright. So
Mama?
you're being blue today for your picture, okay?
Mama?
Okay, I'm talking to you.
Excuse me, Mama.
Yeah.
After me is going to do the date, it's going to be in Lisa. She did my class sheet. She have the uniform blue.
Okay,
It's a girl.
okay.
And
So we want to wear a no hat to school today, okay?
Okay.
Because Mama don't want you to mess your hair up.
Mama?
Yeah. You guys, I'm up doing my routine in getting Tyler ready. Sorry, hold on, I'm talking. Sorry, it's here kicking. Don't know if you guys can see your little foot just kicking down there. But yeah, we are hurrying up to get out of this house.
Mama?
Yes, Ty.
You know.
So no hat today.
Yes.
So your hair can stay nice.
Yes.
And don't get flat.
Yes.
Who is picture day ready?
Me!
Alright, let's go. Let me see that smile that you're gonna show them. Alright, come on. Look at this one down here. Say morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. You ready to go take brother to school? Go put on your shoes, Ty. You ready? You ready? Let go. Go put on your shoes.
What's Lego mean?
Let's go.
But you got
Tyler, let's go.
wheels. This is wheels.
You guys, we're gonna get ready and head out of this house right now. What's it doing? Playing with her? you looking at your pie?
That's
I'm moving so fast this morning I didn't even get to do a proper intro with you guys, but hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay positive. Let no one and nobody, nothing ruin your day. I love you guys, and I'm heading out right now to drop my boy to school and come back. Hopefully I can sneak a little nap in when I get back, but let's see what my day holds.
Excuse me, Mama.
I soon talk to you. Hopefully I can sneak a little nap in when I got back, but let's see what my day holds. Anyway, have a productive day. Love you guys. Catch and keep up, subscribe if you're new to our channel, and I'll see you guys when we get back. Right, Mama? Right, 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 right. Mwah. Morning smile. That's a big morning smile for the faves. That's a big morning smile. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Oh, in the camera with the wet mouth. In the camera with the wet mouth. In the camera with the wet mouth. Guess what I'm making for dinner? Fritters! Sausage fritters.
Oh, yeah.
Saltfish I tell you guys that I know that I had and I couldn't find. Well, y'all, I find it hidden under some onions in my fridge, and that's what's going on for dinner right now.
Mama,
Yes, Stella?
can I have porridge and one porridge?
You want porridge?
Yeah.
How about you have porridge for breakfast in the morning? Okay? Mama, I'll make porridge for breakfast in the morning, okay? Because I'm doing the fritters now. Alright? My boy is home from school, you guys, and of course he loves porridge. So he's asking me for porridge. But I'll make him porridge in the mornings because I'm just trying to make these fritters so that we can go on the road. We are going to the supermarket to get our weekly stock. Today was just chill day for me and Sarah, really. We didn't do much around here. So that's why you guys are just seeing me now. So I'm just in the kitchen whipping up something real quick for the fam. And then we're gonna head on the road. Baby's also on his way home. Sarah is chilling, Tyler is chilling. I'll show you guys everybody in a bit. You guys, I got my heart's desire. Look at that. Ooh. Tastes so good. You hear Sarah? Sarah wants food. Diggy 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 diggy
Dig, dig, dig.
Tell brother you're not funny
Dig,
as
dig,
mama
dig.
today. Diggy 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 diggy. Diggy 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 diggy. Diggy 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 diggy. Say hello to Faves.
Hello.
Don't sit on me.
Good night.
How was picture day?
Bye.
Show me a smile you give them. Hey.
And when I take off my uniform, I just sit
You guys,
down.
we're heading to the supermarket
I'm
right
gonna
now.
take
So,
my
Lego.
uniform.
Sleeping Beauty. My little sleeper.
Guys, we just come back from the supermarket. It's kind of late, so everybody's tired now. And we're just gonna show you what we got. And Tyler is on first. And what you got for you?
Kinder for Christmas, first of
So how you call
December.
that? Is in French we can calendrier de l'Avent. I think it's calendar of Advent calendar. Event calendar. So every day Tyler will have to eat one chocolate, and you're not
Every
going
day
to.
for the month of December.
Oh yeah, for December. So Sunday will be
Until Christmas.
December 1st. So you get it. And when is the 24th? Is the big one because it's the last one. Alright guys, so we got different things. We got Tyler's favorite biscuit. Realized that this last days he eat a lot like this, or maybe we eat some of his biscuits, so we got
No,
two packs.
I'm guilty.
Not
Huh?
Guilty.
You guilty?
Yeah, ate one.
One pack of 10 or just one? Coconut milk, Madeleine. Baby's guilty for that too. We got some tuna. We like this tuna. We like tuna in tin. So we got tuna in tin. Is easy, easy meal to do. We have a dishwash, so we need to wash the dishwash. That's how I say wash the. No, it's not to wash the dishwash. It's to wash the dish. We have another things to wash the dishwash.
And this is the juice for me for
And in the meantime, I am going to finish fry the rest of fritters. So Tyler, don't come around the school.
Bread for Tyler toast. Listen, if I do a toast with a bread different from this one, Tyler don't eat it. If I do a toast with this bread, I just turn my head and come back and Tyler eat the 4 of it. So we don't have choice than to take this. It gives us peace.
this is a breast paddle.
Some more happy biscuit, how Tyler called tin milk. Tin milk, favorite dedicated
Tyler, tell me you wanted porridge for dinner.
Dedicates to our favorite cousin, tin milk. Marion dedicates to you. And yeah, only one, so one should do One days, Marion, tell me.
If it was Marion, it
One
was
days.
2 days.
Yeah, one porridge. Same ingredient. We love you, Marion. Breakfast for me.
This is donut.
Donuts for Tyler. Tyler loves donuts.
No, they're for me.
Oh, for you? Water. So we have compote.
Just plain, it's for you.
Compote for Tyler. That's what he got at school. Coca-Cola.
Go for the rest of it.
Coca-Cola.
You wish. We haven't buy Coca-Cola in a
Oh, yeah.
Since I had Sarah.
Since I had Sarah, we decided not to buy Coca-Cola because it's too...
Tyler, don't go beside the stove.
Yeah, since you have Tyler, because...
Since I have Sarah.
I remember when Marion was there, we used to have Coca-Cola and she used to buy a lot of Coca. And I think it's the last week she said, we're going to stop from the Coca, and since this time we stop in the same time.
This is dinosaur biscuit for me, for Daddy. Only me. Not for Mama and Papa.
Okay. Bread for babe toast. Tyler don't like it, as I said. This morning I make toast for him. Yaki for him. Oil.
Ty, what is that?
Favorite ingredient for babe. When she cook, she put half of the bottle.
Honey, let him show this. He's struggling.
In a struggle is a strong, but what is that, Tyler?
It's right.
This is your favorite one, your fried boy.
It's only for me.
It's only for you?
Yes.
Okay.
And then
Juice, our favorite juice is apple juice. We got 3 big boxes of apple juice. It don't
Going in the freezer.
don't even make the week. Hot pepper, Jamaican hot pepper, not
Can
French.
you tell a Jamaican is living in the house?
Oh.
this is shrimp, my favorite.
Shrimp.
Only for me.
It's only for you?
Yes.
Oh no, everything is only for you today.
This one is only for you. This one is only for Tyler.
Yes.
This is 2 broccolis. This is only for Tyler.
Yes.
He doesn't mind that one. Trust me. Because Mama make yummy soup for you, right, Ty?
Yes.
Some nice chicken. Chicken, Jamaican favorite animals to eat is chicken. Carrot. Jamaican favorite vegetables to eat.
You're a hot.
Plantain. I don't know what's going on with babe. She fell for plantain, so she take the entire tree.
Don't I always take plantain?
That month he can't even close the bag.
Plantain for one for each day of the week.
Okay. So you can't count the proper days of the
just
week?
gonna stick one in your
Because
ears.
there's only 6 I think.
This is
Yes, Sarah, exactly.
This is cookie cake.
Banana.
It's only for me, the cookie.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just playing.
Jamaican sweet peppers. What I see that.
I wanted to show
Some-
the cucumber. This is cucumber.
An apple. Oh, so what is that and what is that, Tyler? Apple and bananas.
Yes.
You don't remember that song?
Apple and bananas.
I like to
Eat apple and bananas. I like to eat apple and bananas.
That was your favorite song when you were a baby.
I don't know that song.
Exactly, you don't remember? It was your favorite song when you were a baby.
Sweet potatoes, everything's sweet. I don't know why they call that sweet potatoes.
Because it's sweet, my
What
love.
do you mean it's sweet?
What do you mean?
Sweet.
Because it's sweet.
It's-
Everybody's doing the haul today, right, Sarah?
And ginger, favorite Jamaican seasoning.
Yeah, but thing with Jamaicans?
I have a wife that is Jamaican.
You sure?
Tyler, is your mom Jamaican?
No.
Okay, no, I'm not sure.
Your mom not Jamaican?
But Tyler mom is not
Only
Jamaican.
a Jamaican Uncle Canada.
Okay, we only have one Jamaican in the family, is Uncle Conrad.
Oh, okay,
So I guess.
Okay, Tyler, I hear you.
Yeah. So who are you?
Good question. What's
Who are
come
you?
first, PS?
What do you, Marianne?
You just as silly as your dad. So do I like.
Pork. The last time babe got that, she make it spoil.
I make it spoil.
1 minute of silence for the pork that's.
Yo, let me tell you. I don't like to rush eating things when I buy it. And I realized that French supermarkets, when you buy meat, you have to eat them within 2 days. They expire. What kind of nonsense is that? 2 days I didn't cook the rib. 2 days and it spoiled.
Well, but you let it
Madness.
open. That was the reason why, you
And
know.
it, even if it never opened, it still expires in 2 days. And
Okay,
sometimes when I'm
yeah,
buying
'cause
meat, I don't
sometime-
really look at the expired
That's
dates,
what
'cause
she does.
we eat them within a week.
Look, for example,
not
this one
expecting
is,
it to be
well, that's
expired.
fish. So fish is always like this. They say they package it today and it will be expires in 2 days.
2 days.
So that's what they do for fish.
Crazy.
It's only 2 days because it's supposed to be fresh fish. But in France, when they put the things, for example, they're gonna put the yogurt here 2 weeks before the expire date, and 1 week after they're gonna receive new ones. They're gonna put the new one on the back, and they're gonna put the old one in the front. So people sometimes they take the one at the back. They know that the front one is, and sometimes the front one is almost at the expire, or sometimes it's also expired. They don't really pay attention. So when you take things, you have always to look at the date
And that's what I don't do sometimes.
That's what she
I don't
don't
really
do.
look at the expiry.
all the time. Oh, you got saltfish.
Yep.
So it's already dead. I mean,
It's already dead.
yeah, the fish dead.
Did the fish no? What do you mean if?
Yeah, the fish dead.
No, I
What do you
wanted,
mean the fish
I wanted
dead?
to see it expire.
What do you mean the fish dead, honey?
Yeah, no moving.
Oh, sorry, you pinching me.
Wrong word.
The
Excuse
fish
me.
that was dead.
Excuse me.
Dead.
Wrong word.
Fish dead.
The fish have to die. Your
Dead.
father is silly.
Wrong word. Okay, end of the game.
You're good for only me.
You know
That
what?
one is for you. You sure?
You know what animal does that?
Exactly. Sorry, everybody making nice.
You know what animal does that?
I don't think I want to know. I love the yogurt, so please don't tell me which animal it came from.
Alright.
Only
That's it. That's it for the supermarket haul. We didn't forget one bag in the car.
Good
No.
question.
That's it. Okay. Hey guys, that was it for today. And yeah, we started. Yeah, I remember the first time when she came in France, we used to get a lot of bag food.
No, that's
Me,
not
when you
that
say a lot of
thing.
bag food, me
It's not
used to eat a lot of
that thing,
processed
there is
food.
milk. There
Food
is
that we used to
milk.
put in the
Okay, that's okay.
food that we used to get ready up from the bag and only do it in 2 minutes. I used to eat those a lot and I put on so much weight. So much weight. Me and stop by those things now. We don't buy those things
Eat,
anymore.
eat.
Apples and bananas.
Loves to eat. Keep
Is
that.
she playing with you? You guys, when I tell you that Sarah loves her papa like crazy, it's just hilarious. Look at her.
Who doesn't like it?
Look at Faith.
Who don't
Look
love
at Faith. Don't look at me. Look, Faith's looking at you. This girl obsessed over her papa. Obsessed over her dad.
I want to see her.
Come here. Stand on your step and you see her. Cause she turn her head around here. So.
Okay, see. No.
Why you turn and see him looking at him, sister? No, you're going to make him cry. Thump him in her.
La 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 la.
Tell her don't put your hair in her face. You can't put your hair in her face, Ty. Look what you're doing. You can't put your hair on her mouth.
Mama, I want to sleep with Sarah.
No, you can't sleep with... You have to sleep with her when she gets older. She'll sleep in your bed sometime. But she's too young now. When she gets older, Ty, not now, she's a baby. When she gets older. Okay?
I don't know why when I think about Sarah and Tyler, I also, our first vision, Sarah coming to me like snitchy, like she just did Betty's and she coming to me. That's not a bird. He's a monster bird.
That's a monster. What was that?
He got bad.
Mama made a monster bird after tea.
Yeah, the wood.
Ginger tea always do the magic. You know you're my baby?
Yes.
You know you're my first baby?
Yes.
And you'll always be my baby?
Mama.
And now you're my big baby.
Mama.
Did you know you're my big baby?
Yeah. I love you not to be gay.
And
I love you. 100.
I love you big like that 1,000 times. Go like this. Go like this. Oh.
Ali, you're doing Hey, my turn.